Good day, ma'am. Anyway, I am Jessa Janeva Dumaog, and my speech topic is about active listening, the key to meaningful conversation. So, active listening means paying close attention to what someone is saying, both verbally and non verbally, with a goal of understanding their message. They demonstrate empathy rather than just passively hearing the words. The key to meaningful conversation lies in actively listening, asking insightful questions, and sharing personal information while maintaining the respectful and curious attitude. The approach allows for deeper connection and a greater understanding of others, enriching the conversational experience. This might meaningful conversation. Number one is active listening. The engage fully listening with the understandings, not just to formulate your response. So next is paying attention. Make eye contact, mood, and show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Avoid interrupting. Let the other person finish their thoughts before interjecting the last. And lastly is the reflect of summarize. Paraphrase what you have heard too. So secondly is asking meaningful question. There are open-ending question using who, when, where, why, or how to encourage detailed responses. Ask classifying question to show your interest in learning more than to deliver deeper into a conversation. Number three is sharing personal information. Be vulnerable. Sharing personal detail, even small ones, can help build rapport and create intimacy. So reciprocity. Be prepared to share and listen, creating a balanced exchange. Respectfulness sharing. Choose when and what to share based on the context and the relationship with the other person. Number four is maintaining the positive and respectful attitude. There are humility and empathy. Acknowledge that everyone has a unique perspective and try to see things from their point of view. Generosity and kindness. Share your own knowledge and experience with a genuine desire to connect. And lastly is respect for different opinion. Be open to differing viewpoint and engage in respectful debate when necessary. And that's all my speech. Thank you.